Yes.
Oh yeah, I know to play. I know to play.
Hey. Where is it?
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
What year? Today?
December?
What?
Oh, February.
What?
January?
January what?
First?
They call it New Year because January 1st, right? What year? Isaac!
Happy New Year!
What year is today?
I don't know.
What are you guys playing?
Angry Birds.
What?
Angry Birds.
Angry Birds? Alright then.
This is the guy.
Let me see. Where is it? Where? I don't see it.
Right here.
Okay, what do you have to do with the Angry Bird?
I don't know. You shoot your butts.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Happy baby. Happy baby. Because you're happy.